Local news for Thursday the 23rd of March. New Zealand's district health boards are in a financial hole with deficits deteriorating rapidly, says Labour's health spokesperson David Clark. Mr Clark says in the Wairarapa they're struggling with additional costs due to a spike in demand for mental health beds over the past few months. He says Labour will restore health funding and address the $1.7 billion gap as a first step to fixing the sector. The 2017 dates for the Bay Young Viticulturalist of the Year competition are set. Now, in its 12th year, the competition continues to grow, along with the calibre of contestants. Aimed at growing the future leaders of New Zealand's wine industry, the competition increases the confidence, skills and networking opportunities for all those who compete. Contestants must be 30 years of age or below as of the 31st of December this year to enter, with the Wairarapa competition date being set for the 20th of July at Palliser Estate. And in sport, the Black Sticks went down 2-1 last night at Clearville in the fourth test against Pakistan. They'll have the chance to level the series, however, tonight with the game again at Clearville. For Wairarapa TV Local News, I'm Brent Gare.